Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making stewed soya with pigeon peas. Today's episode is being sponsored by Quinn's Supermarket located here in Tamarack, Florida. At Quinn's Supermarket you can find all of your Caribbean items at really affordable prices. So be sure to check them out this Diwali and Christmas season. We're going to start this recipe by placing 1 8-ounce pack of soya chunks. We need to soak this. Empty the soya into a bowl, and then using tap water, we're going to cover it to soak. This is going to absorb the water. It's going to act like a sponge. Just give it a mix and allow it to soak for about an hour. Now once it's finished soaking, we're just going to squeeze out the liquid. Place it into another bowl and we're going to boil this. My friend Sabrine told me she loves to boil it and it actually takes away from some of the taste that you're not accustomed to with soya. We're going to boil this for about 3 to 5 minutes. And once it's done, you're going to take it out and place it into a strainer. Allow it to cool down. And once it cools down, we'll go ahead and wash it with some lime. I'm doing that off of camera, so just wash it with some lime juice and squeeze out any additional liquid and place it back into your bowl. To this, I'm going to go in with a can of dried pigeon peas. I like using some tomato ketchup when I stew. If you don't like tomato ketchup, you can use tomato paste or some tomato sauce. Chopped tomatoes. Chopped scallions, onions, pimento peppers or hot peppers, chopped, minced garlic, and season with salt to taste. I like adding some ruku or some annatto powder. This adds a really nice, beautiful stew color. And it's traditional if you're a Trini. We love to stew with annatto or ruku. Give this a mix. I forgot to put in my green seasoning, so I'm adding that in now. And I'll mix that in. You want to allow this to marinate for minimum 1 hour, or you can marinate overnight in your refrigerator. Now let's cook it. So I'm using the Demerara sugar. This is a really good sugar to use, and you can get it at Quinn's. All of the ingredients you've seen me use is available at Quinn's Supermarket. So on a medium heat, we add that sugar in and allow it to melt. I don't use oil when I'm stewing, guys, and you will see it stews perfectly. Once it's golden brown and amber, add in your seasoned soya. I don't turn it right away when I'm stewing. I just spread it out, let it caramelize on one side, then we'll go in and turn it once it has gotten some color. We're going to allow this to cook up in here for about 5 to 6 minutes. You really want to let that stew flavor develop and give the soya some color. Now we'll add in water to help this cook, so you want to completely cover the soya. And you want to do this over a medium heat. Now we'll go in with some coconut milk powder to add some richness to this stew. Mix that in. So my friend Usha, her mom always adds coconut milk powder when she makes it, so I'm following her tip. Now we're going to allow this to cook. This will take about 40 minutes. That liquid is going to reduce. The stew would start getting that really rich amber color that stew is known for. See how the color changed? Cook it down and dry out that sauce as much as you like. I'm going to dry it down a little more, and then once it's done, all you have to do is taste and adjust your salt, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. Easy, simple, and delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you to Quinn's Supermarket, again located in Tamarack, Florida, for sponsoring today's episode. Quinn's Supermarket is your go-to supermarket for all of your Caribbean supplies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!